And we're back to learning Premiere Pro, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a simple underwater audio effect. It's easy to do. We've got a simple clip. The woman goes underwater for like a couple of seconds and then out of the water, and we want to have this effect while she's under the water. You could apply that to music or any audio file. Let me just drag it here into audio channel 1. Now I want to cut it. Just press the C tool and you've got the cutting tool active, and now you can cut your audio file with the left click. And we want to size it down and then set 2 cuts. The first when she goes into water and the second when she gets out of. So we've got now 3 audio elements, and we want to apply the underwater audio effect to the one in the middle while she's underwater. Just go to the effects panel and then type in low pass. It should be under your audio effects, and then drag and drop it on this middle audio element. If you can't find your effects window, just go to window and click on effects. And we also need the effect controls. So click on that as well if you don't see it. Make sure that this audio element is selected, so not the video file. And here's our low pass. The cutoff is important. We can keep it in many cases just like it is by default. But you can also go down a little bit to intensify the effect, but don't go too low as it lowers the volume as well and you might lose your audio file completely. From my experience, around 500 should be your lower limit, so don't go too much below that and everything should be fine. And this is how you can create this underwater audio effect in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.